For my CS50 final project, I made Trips, which is a street corner dice gambling simulator. The reason why I made this, I live in Halifax, Nova Scotia, by the way. My name is Wolf. I used to live in Toronto, and I would play this game after work with my coworkers, off until the wee hours of the night. It's a very simple game. Each player rolls 5 dice. The player is bound to keep at least one of those rolls towards their final score. 3s are worth 0 points. All other dice are worth their face value. The player may elect to keep all of the rolled dice or re-roll the remaining dice after they have selected one to keep. And this pattern is going to be repeated until the player has selected 5 dice or run out of dice to roll, etc. Why did I build this game? It is nostalgic value for me. It was a great opportunity to learn about object-oriented programming, which I did through No Starch's Press's book, Object-Oriented Python 3. I learned a fair bit about data organization and list manipulation, and it was kind of something I wanted to learn how to build. I had in the back of my mind since I started learning how to code. It's kind of an early milestone. I'm just going to quickly show that there's an encapsulated classes: the dice class, the player class, the actual game logic class, and 250 lines of code, and then the actual game code itself, which is just really short. Because of this, the game logic is broken down into 15 lines of code. Quickly run you guys through a game. So I'm going to play. Probably one of the most interesting problems making this game was creating a recursive function to deal with tiebreakers for rolling for first. I'm just going to keep 2 players here, so it's pretty unlikely that we're going to see that. So both players, oh, there we go. So we did see a tie. So this would actually recursively go until one person won, no matter how many players, up to 15 that you use. Then the person's going to select who goes first. In this case, you have to select 1 dice to start, so 3s are worth 0. And I'm just going to go ahead and keep all of the dice and the current rolls. Every time you roll, you're going to be given this option. So currently the current winning roll is 6 points. This player, for Bob French, we're going to keep a 3. We're going to re-roll the remaining dice. We're going to keep a 1. We're going to re-roll the remaining dice. Keep a 3. Re-roll the remaining dice. Keep a 4, re-roll the remaining dice. Current score is 5, so nope, he loses. So sorry, you are out. Art Vandelay wins. That's it.